No. No more. What? What? Are you really filming it? Hello? Hello?
Jackie,
Okay, get ready to get skated here. Without ball. Damien, second attempt. Yeah.
He asked what his thing was. He pointed to the raffle. He said, "What is this, old rundown hotel?" And he said, "No." He said it was a scuzzy hotel with a crappy bar. He said, "Oh, I just left the scuzziest bar." He said, "No, you didn't." He said, "No, you didn't." And he said, "This is the scuzziest bar." Are you retarded? And then he goes, "Are you sure?" And we said, "Yes." And he looked in there, he goes, "You're right, it is a bar. Come on, let's go." To me, Aunt Lisa and Connie, and Lisa and I started giggling. We're not old enough to go in the bar. He goes, "Are you sure?" "Yeah." And he goes, "Well, maybe your mom could come with me and I could send two of you off to get Slurpees."